Today we're going to be cooking up a classic corned beef with simple, fresh ingredients that you can find at your local Safeway and Albertsons. After you've opened up your corned beef, you can pat it dry. Make sure that you add the seasoning pack to the top of your corned beef and then place it gently into your awaiting crock pot. We're going to crush a few cloves of garlic and add those in as well, and spice it up with a couple peppercorns. The last ingredient is to crack open an Irish Death. After adding your Irish Death beer, you're simply going to seal up your crock pot, set it to medium heat, and let it braise for the next 4 to 6 hours. So you're going to quarter up a cabbage and get it set on a nice seasoned cookie sheet. You're going to whack a few red potatoes, remove your extra leaves there. Whack a few red potatoes in half and toss them in a mixture of melted butter and horseradish. All of this is going to go into the oven for about 40 minutes until the vegetables are softened and pick up a nice brown color. With your potatoes tossed in melted butter and horseradish, you're going to add them to the cookie sheet. Right in with your cabbage and put that extra butter over the top of your cabbage. Once your buttery potatoes and cabbage are all set on your cookie sheet, you're going to put it into a nice hot oven for the next 40 minutes or so until they soften and get a nice golden brown. Our corned beef is glazed with this yummy marmalade and Dijon mustard sauce, and you've got your oven roasted veggies. So the next best thing you can do is pair it with my favorite way to serve a beer on St. Patrick's Day. It's a little trick I have. Just set your beer like this and go. Happy St. Patrick's Day from Washington's family farmers and ranchers.